League eba so nemum ansana no jetin se andra matches eba so Europe na oko Ilia andra Italian Serie A no yenya Cremonense fie wo so 2-1 edema SS Lazio enwechi andra team from say Roma Etnafie Stadio Olimpico Rome we share 4 Emma Fiorentina womo Entimante Gianluca Mancini as her first goal Emma Roma after Wesley Franca at the second goal ever so Emma Mario Hamesu about third goal Ansana Nicola Pizzilli at the fourth goal as also Emma Roma after Uko Spina and La Liga no Yenya Sevilla Amutinafie womo share bako Emma Real Sociedad Womo Entimante Alexis Sanchez and I said only go and my Sevilla team no afe Uber Englander na me hu bi kurada is say Monday area kete 2 o'clock p.m. Mandra Stamford Bridge once again already Chelsea team no na enoma enkoye wo sa ekodigui and Chelsea Stamford Bridge womo su 3-1 and my away side she from Nottingham Forest na andra womo shase anchekra a second minute and Nigeria o my brand friend Taiwo awani as her first goal and my Nottingham Forest after Igor Jesus at the penalty was second goal at my Forest and Sana Abrantia je France Taiwo awani at the third goal and that's also at my Forest team no you be a game 90 plus 3 minutes and I Joao Pedro at the bicycle kick and your consolation goal and my Chelsea and the under Chelsea elfie we so 3-1 and my Nottingham Forest name ya kete for you say Andra ko Palmer e konya penalty eba touching here na elsewhere anno nimre Harold Dickinson Stadium jetense Everton elofie woman so any Man City about 3-3 say Arsenal any advantage es say Amra draw a team from say Man City boy no ama Arsenal team no woman next 3 games aka Premier League no say Arsenal every na e say Arsenal for the first time in 22 years we make Premier League and you see woman so na Amra City woman game e baso away no mama fa to nim say Jeremy Doku and a share first goal and Man City and which Abrante say Barry ever take no and my team you from say Everton Emma Barry at the second goal and I said third goal and I said second goal rather ever so Emma Everton and Sana Jack O'Brien ever third goal and Emma Everton after Abrante say Ellen Haaland ever said second goal and my Man City and Sana we maybe a game 90 plus 7 and a Jeremy Doku ebenya equalizer no and Man City and the Andra City away woman Everton about 3-3 na Premier League table nay say Arsenal for woman ya Djibouti say e ko say ya Arsenal about the Premier League and you see on so na onim say Arsenal woman last 3 games aka e Premier League no Arsenal team no almost say for papa is say one more Burnley e one baba West Ham e away na omo Crystal Palace e away e Chelsea Arsenal for no one more advantage and say 3 matches aka no your 2 London derbies e enti Arsenal entu kwan enko ba bia e Chelsea Arsenal team no wo hia amade mo kakra bi na omo Premier League e dey see omo na so my Pep Guardiola one and manager at Man City and after the game Guardiola say na advantage no e team from the City or nimum andra makoba draw wagidi e pese say aselepe e dey free omonsa ama akodi Arsenal for no jobetima kan ene say Premier League yenwie bibia e betima si City woman so e betima the Premier League e dey esi omo na so we at the Sky Blues of Man City woman boss Pep Guardiola.
Really good. Very outstanding first half. Very, very good. We get a lot and we're so tight, so difficult physicality in second half. They make a step up. We were maybe not as much aggressive to control, and after, of course, we give away the goal. But after they come back and they make a proper English game and so aggressive in the duels.
Okay, eno the Sky Blues of Man City omo manager your friend said Joseph Pep Guardiola and I tell Guardiola and can say okaza say Andra game na a proper English football game as a team for the bra born a Korean mo pimo pan no better from no say yes what about Harold Dickinson Stadium David Moyes and a T-bench and T1 kasa unim the way Andra game esikoye and no Pep Guardiola and Sam Kakra and all the two and no pay no you don't want some MT for you show so now unim say Andra Andra after Everton and Man City game no Chelsea officially the tense Arsenal one goalkeeper face David Raya one energy golden glove this season Premier League game na I was say your boy David Raya baso say 3 consecutive season nina oji golden glove Chelsea of Brentford eba Arsenal boy no ne money bo asani pa this season 35 matches Premier League game wa keep 17 clean sheet Chelsea boy no ne money bo asani pa na unim say in the history of Premier League Abraham said David Raya about 4th goalkeeper 3 consecutive season Nhyira waji golden globe it has a Pepe Reina AAB Joe Hart AAB and of Ederson Morales one also AAB into David Raya one also aya record I nano pay de won sempina and my telephone el show so afa yan Freeman City game no na yanko andra wi game e ba so our Stamford Bridge many can catch order da say Chelsea team andra women so 3-1 and man Nottingham Forest na onim say the last 6 games at Chelsea abo Premier League no Chelsea elu so much is nina we at the first time since 1993 Chelsea about 6 matches Premier League consecutively nina Chelsea elu so hard new pa na wonim say Andra our Stamford Bridge I'm not tell first Thiago Silva ebe he boni bi na we Thiago Silva time at third go ni by akwai neura ho etimi Chelsea pa mija oko enie Thiago Silva eka de Andra enka osu e Stamford Bridge nemo Andra na ne ho aye mobo enya sebketo akra we aye presidential box e Stamford Bridge and I was say Thiago Silva what why na no pay no jere won sem emetiefonya e show no so na Callum McFarlane interim manager and my team from Chelsea na manager say we are very disappointed pa esan say Andra first 50 minutes Chelsea team no woman started game na omo performance well below average na one kasa o sheda dientia Chelsea team no womo antimi an starting ye jobetimaka and say free enekoi womo kotena se na Chelsea game amobo editia Leeds United the Chelsea here omutimi defend better editia Leeds United Andra woman team and defend better amfa antia Nottingham Forest no e was Chelsea team no womutimi ko archives nim na omuko defend neba we Chelsea manager Jefferson Callum McFarlane.
Yeah, really disappointed with the performance, disappointed with the result. Irrelevant of that, I don't think we ever got to our level today that we know we're capable of. So yeah, naturally very disappointing. I know the group, I've known them for a little while now, and they are driven, they want what's best for themselves, they want what's best for this club, and we're going to do everything we can to try and win every single game we can.
Okay, we interim manager and my Chelsea fan say Callum McFarlane and our team manager nka say all Casano na mame Joao Pedro Masandra and mama ankoyi and for my Chelsea name Joao Pedro HRS why striker hey striker penny na de yo sidi ne koko eje ball e dana ne ho bicycle panyai na boni da net Joao Pedro andra na we brightest star e Chelsea team num na unim say Joao Pedro this season Premier League num was 15 non-penalty goals at the Chelsea na Chelsea abakosemu wabaya 4 player and as a 3rd player rather the first season was 15 or more non-penalty goals Premier League num at the Chelsea Diodikan Jimmy Floyd Hassenberg was 19 goals in the first season at the Chelsea and after Diego Costa one of the first season Chelsea was 19 non-penalty goals and my Chelsea na omuwie game no na Joao Pedro say baby Pedro no say enya manager sem bia biem na ogidie pa say e wase omo players no woman kasa etna say na omo kasa na mu hu ma ensira enkoye Chelsea esa say Chelsea one players na and e wase omo pagya omo modimbom eno Joao Pedro andra ensem kakra wode etudwa na andra Chelsea woman line up e ba ye no yahu Alejandro Garnacho yahu Pedro Neto manager na say 2 boys no na omo feeling well and unti na andra game omo mobi enti andra Chelsea woman left Frank ono eno abrantie fa say Jesse Dari or just 18 years wo fi academy mu na baye na academy player andra wo bo arima Chelsea no boy no enye 45 plus minute and a boy no ekonya ona say okone player ekokolide ye eno abrantie fa say Zach Bot wo sina ka arima Nottingham Forest na de me say kan say boy no Chelsea for and then call hospital. We move a game na official statement at Chelsea. Everybody say boy no aye enche no betono enti Jesse Dari Andra one said a game after my Chelsea and yet ono kwa Andra abrantia fence Robert Sanchez one Morgan Gibbs White one so collide na enoma course Andra a drew by Chelsea goalkeeper no na e was omo managing ansana watimi atwa game so eno ensem kakra Andra so El Stamford Bridge na say Chelsea ebetimi a qualify for UEFA Champions League I just say mathematically and comfort na say na omoye mass no na the only way ebema Chelsea a qualify for UEFA Champions League say we Premier League table na I just say Aston Villa 1 omoji Europa League I just say Aston Villa finish 5th Premier League table so now the last best matches and I said the last matches are I can't Chelsea anymore at least I was say Chelsea when we win 2 games now I'm happy say I'm a tosu 6 Premier League and Sana Chelsea etima qualify for UEFA Champions League where the Yamian Ukraine a kind of wa anshana amfa enti like he said one next season Chelsea team no woman UEFA Champions League now Man City and none of pair and a city woman idea base abrantia first full forwarding while standing a contract at the Man City now the me second and say a 4-year contract and a full forwarding while standing at the Man City until June 2030 full forwarding Everton City or further 1 year over to me at the standing a contract at the Ama Chelsea yes City for an AGD pass this season and no man answer ankoye after full forwarding nemum do maka and say woman GDL full for the mu say enche boy no form ebesa aye kama e the Amaman City eno aye update a free city eba enano pay no jere won sem emetio for na e show no so na nyame aduma ene e Emirates UEFA Champions League eba so na Arsenal e fie 7:00 p.m. woman Atletico Madrid enebo e big game esan say nano Wednesday e Metropolitano Stadium Atletico Madrid and Arsenal ebo 1-1 draw enti game e open bibia betimasi obeke Andra made the match officials at the mamo now for the sake of your team fontino je tense enanumre a German referee friend say Daniel Siebert and a ebedi game no video assistant referee akọ anema Bastien Danke nyame adma ochina and a Bayern and a Paris Saint-Germain elbow na Andra El Soba Training Center but the Arsenal omo training Andra Julian Timber and watching Martin Odegaard Mikel Merino and a Kai Harvest women anya training nemum Andra the tense Arsenal one manager first Mikel Arteta waba pre-match press conference no manager say Martin Odegaard and a Kai Harvest woman training nemum born ometimabo nemum enanumre game ebaso no the tense Mikel Arteta and say the last time Arsenal when we call Champions League final 2006 what did you pass enanumre adie bia e was Arsenal when we said bia o meko final bia no e was Arsenal we Arsenal one manager Mikel Arteta.
I can't wait. I mean, I feel the energy in and amongst the team, our supporters. So these are the moments that we want to live together. We had a lot of work as a club, as a team, after 20 years to be in this position again. And we are so hungry to get the game that we want tomorrow and go through to the final. Huge excitement, really hungry. I mean, it's difficult to express the desire to live that moment. And especially with our people in front of them, they've been waiting for so long to have this kind of nights. And push hard tomorrow because it's something amazing going to happen.
Okay, the Gunners, manager fence Mikel Arteta, and I'll take Arteta and Cassia. Me, I do no number. One more pushy na Champions League final. Come at the Arsenal and no, Mikel Arteta and Sam Kakra with the 2 Janano Peno. You don't some MT for your El Shono so. Now, Oko Atletico Madrid, Anra, Emirates Stadium, Atletico, who training Eba so. Now, Mami Julian Alvarez, when you said the last time Arsenal, woman Atletico, Eboye, Metropolitano, no. Julian Alvarez ekonya knock nemum Andra training na ebaso no jeme se kan se Atletico wo training no na abrantia fa se Julian Alvarez wonu kwa edikan personal training na individual training na ebaso no je se Atletico Madrid wo physical therapist wonu Julian Alvarez edikan individual training ansana boy ni join group no ama Atletico for omo training abaso na Diego Simeone say nyame aduma ene ebe jire papa sanse wom ansesa omonsa no sede wo bia nim se Atletico wombo bobo no sa ena ombebo no nya fayi ena ombeka se ai ena obia be hegam ni binti Atletico ebe se omonsa no akobo de omuntimi de ombetima bo ena ombebo wom nim se omoya de kakra bia wombe qualify area ko UEFA Champions League final ena oya Diego Simeone na onim se Atletico Madrid team no ando omoba ewiam wo e London womba omo hotel na omo kodai enu numere na Atletico asesem hotel no na de ten se Diego Simeone eba pre-match press conference eno nsentwofo busanse chairman yesim hotel masesa no na de ntia anya bia league first ni moba Emirates moba je 4-0 editia Arsenal mugidi e pass because of superstition enunti ena masesem hotel na Diego Simeone se da bi womudi combine hotel na modano na ne board too much when efo enuntina womasesem hotel no enti wogidi e pass hotel when cheaper and my team from say Atletico Madrid na yese ena homachi e Atletico womu training grounds masa firecrackers ba Arsenal supporters womu se dabi ye jai mama mo dakra kasabi yesai dede entwene yese firecrackers knockout andra e anase ena homachi e London e Montana so baby a Atletico hotel na e wono Arsenal supporters akwede edi agwomasum na yese Atletico for no woma twelete edi akoma UEFA for se dabi we etia football emra enoma ena homachi esiye e omo hotel no woma soso enye enti oma twelete edi akoma UEFA for na ena no pay the update emetie for nyina e show no so na nyame ya duma oba Africa ye continent isu a CAF Champions League final ebeba so na first leg and for second leg na first leg yebenya Mamelodi Sundowns the Mawanda Sawana wombe trefie e Loftus Versal Stadium e the city of Pretoria womni airs as far from Morocco enable first leg no 17th May and eba so na obeka dey come story e the amount say Senegal and I say refina odi Senegal and Egypt AFCON final Jafan said Gian Jacques Ndela Ngambo from DR Congo one anybody game no now I must see video assistant referee Abdelaziz Yassel Ahmed from Sudan now for match commissioner Akwa Edema Desmond Marengwa from Zimbabwe now 2 teams in Nigeria when we did pass referees no and I say ref na obedi game no the test and the credibility questionable sense ref akodi AFCON final ama ehun aba sam dia esidai and a CAF for modern CAF Champions League final edmano enti the me second and say CAF for say meeting ebeba so na me say meeting ebeba so no say ombe change referee and I say omo change referee and no the emre and enkrabia and ebeba and no pay no jere won sam emeti for na e show no so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na Richard Ominisino okwa Real da abrantie fan say Felan Mendy on say medical be story say boy ne pra na omo si omakotwa scan no boy no obetena fi be say 5 months one team more ball and from a team you from say Real Madrid
opera too much are
now only say Madrid since last season ever pim season we omanya injuries different ones go 120.
Wow. That's so bad.
As a man replace no prapa.
Vigorous training and idea. And no better factor. So sometimes players how much training because already they are playing so many matches. So as a match is normal already a dozen. It is also for vigorous training more. Pre-planning
Antonio Pintus Robachum.
Fernanda Casano. As I in Japan, I don't know. A planning ya doso. And a
demonstration and so here.
Demonstration there.
I wish I for chances of what I say. And Omotina here game the Dino. I was a demonstrations too. Now demonstrations me number and I'm seeing me out duma. One more FA Cup final ball Wembley against the Sky Blues of Man City. Now I must say before the game, Chelsea supporters in instant come for bus. Edi Costa de no form na e form no ejina bi suntina omo for omo de banner wo ma twere so say blue co out
to bolim fan
omo pe blue co bi no chi sporting directors no omo so di be ba banners ne so bi de toso mi no omo say 20 and I say one more game on the ball at the team from Tottenham Hotspur.
Okay.
And no Stamford Bridge. Now 22nd minute. Chelsea supporters almost Stamford Bridge na. Ebe sorry, Edo Mochi. Actually pitch na so. Na Oma Chante say blue co out.
Okay.
1 minute.
It's good somebody, but the woman say the Chelsea I mean say nipa be felt in love with no. Roman Abramovich time. Was a sad time no. Coach papa players papa or discuss do na Chelsea team. I mean that time be beer about Roman Abramovich a result. And yes, billionaires of free America, but the difference between Omni Roman Abramovich and say America is for no a strictly business on by balance on book.
See you sikeni premium.
I love that.
I read.
Sikeni bi onye premium. Ono ni sika no spend ya calculator she butum no calculate do benya ene de or she so hunti sa na mani nyina no. I think to say him say Chelsea for no. Or some tia say na mu say a different era and a Chelsea so but ni nyina mu no we say Fifi Manfred Moba ye be din komo na ya share especially this is the moment so ye Arsenal fan as o mu ani je e da sem to cry in fact and ye be din komo pi Arsenal sawo UEFA Champions League game our ha